I told again that with very cheap servers you can't use 7.4 volts. You need 5 volts. And I check here the 3-way switch. It's on channel 7. 1, 2. It works well, this 3-way switch. It is used for Arduino. I test the position switches. Here I have 3 modes. Here is position 1, position 4 and position 6. 1, 4, 6. I have to look if in the program 1 is auto, 4 is fly-by-wire B and 6 is manual. This should more or less work. Now it's the no debug mode. The 3 LEDs A, B, C blink nicely. I just have to turn on the sender and give a bit more light, that everything can be seen in its right colors. Now the LED C, B and C are constant. Now in I'm in manual mode, but it does not seem to work alright. Strange. No, something does not work okay. I don't know what it is. The rudder is not going very well. I have they go together, and on position 3 the manual mode. Now in the manual mode it's very clear, the reaction. In the half automatic mode it's not as clear. They go a bit together, but that might be. There should be some reactions from the emo, but no, it does not seem to be very well. And on mode 1 it's the auto mode. I still can steer, but still no reaction when tilting. And what is funny is B and C, these LEDs here, B, C, are burning constantly. Something is still wrong.